Introducing the 2019 Hyundai Veloster. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Connect with the road in cutting-edge style in this heart-pounding Hyundai Veloster. Unique 3-door hatchback configuration, lively cornering, aggressive performance, and driver-focused design heighten your driving pleasure in this unconventional sport compact. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats, tire pressure monitoring system, brake actuated limited slip differential. Practical daily driver meets unconventional adrenaline machine in this fun-seeking Veloster. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.